Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll learn how to find the nearest round number greater than or equal to a given number using JavaScript. Let's get started. Our goal is to identify the smallest round number greater than or equal to a given input. For instance, the nearest round number for 56 is 60, while for 800 it is 800 itself. The program increments the number until it becomes divisible by 10. Once the loop exits, the number is returned as the nearest round number. Here's how it works. The program repeatedly increments the input number until it is divisible by 10. This ensures the output is the smallest round number greater than or equal to the input. Let's analyze these examples. For example 1, the input is 56, which the program increments to the nearest number, 60. With example 2, the input is 592, which the program increments to the nearest number, 600. For example 3, the input is 800. No increment is needed since it is already a round number. The ES6 version simplifies the code using modern JavaScript syntax. The logic remains the same, but the code is more concise and readable. Edge cases include inputs that are already round, large numbers close to the next multiple of 10, and small numbers like 5. The program handles all of these cases gracefully. In summary, this program provides an efficient way to find the nearest round number, greater than or equal to a given input. It handles edge cases and ensures accurate results. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I will see you in the next one.